artist. I'm Mariana Olson, and today we are drawing a candy corn. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start on the left side of the paper, and I'm gonna do a U shape. It is an upside down U shape, and it's also leaning a little bit to the left, just like this. Can you see? Now, let's close this shape on the bottom with a slightly curvy line. And then I'm gonna go here up a little, and then I'm gonna do a curvy line, and then another one. It's kind of like a M shape. You see, 1 and 2. And now I'm joining these two together with another slightly curvy line. Now I want to imagine this line continues in behind here, and we're gonna go down, and then it curves to the right. Now behind, and this one goes down and curves to the left. Now let's join these two together, okay? I'm going super slow, and that's it. Now let's continue with the legs. So the legs are super simple. It's just one line, and then here I'm gonna do an oval shape. Now the other leg is up in the air, so for that I'm doing it a little diagonal line, and now an oval shape. Perfect. Now let's do the arm. So this arm, I'm gonna go down. Let's do it in between these two and do a diagonal line up, and now 2 oval shapes. The other hand comes down here and it goes around. And now, again, we're gonna do 1 and 2 oval shapes. Now, let's finish the scarf here, and it's gonna be curvy line, then a straight line that goes down, and a curvy line that goes now down too. And to make more details, we're gonna put little lines here at the end of the scarf, just like this. There. Okay, now let's continue with the eyes. So I like to do my eyes big, so I'm gonna do 1 big circle here. Now leaving a space and do the other circle. And now I wanna do the smile, which is behind the scarf. So just 2 curvy lines here. And now let's do the inside of the eyes, just filling and leaving a space in the middle, like a white space in the middle. Right there. And to finish this candy corn, we're gonna put here 2 eyebrows, and then that's it. You see how easy we finish. And now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.